Hey there, fellow moneymakers. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and unsure of what to do when you receive that long-awaited paycheck? Well, worry no more, because today I'm going to share with you the 10 essential steps to follow when you get paid. So grab a pen and paper, and let's dive right in. Step 1. Celebrate responsibly. First things first, it's important to celebrate your hard work and achievements. Treat yourself to something special, but remember to be responsible with your spending. Don't go overboard and blow your entire paycheck on unnecessary things. Take a moment to reward yourself, and then let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Create a budget. Now that you've celebrated, it's time to get down to business. Create a budget that outlines your expenses, financial goals, and savings targets. This will help you stay on track and ensure you're making the most of your hard-earned money. Step 3. Pay your bills. Next up, prioritize paying your bills on time. This is crucial to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. Set aside a portion of your paycheck specifically for bills and make sure to allocate funds accordingly. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and it's essential to be prepared. Use part of your income to start building an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will provide peace of mind and act as a safety net during unforeseen circumstances. Step 5. Save for retirement. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. Research and open a retirement savings account such as a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA. Contribute a percentage of your paycheck towards retirement to secure a comfortable future. Step 6. Pay off debt. Debt can be a heavy burden on your finances. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances or loans. By lowering your debt, you'll have more financial freedom and fewer worries in the long run. Step 7. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is an investment that always pays off. Consider furthering your education, attending conferences, or acquiring new skills that could boost your career prospects. Use a portion of your income to invest in self-improvement opportunities. Step 8. Consider long-term goals. Take a moment to reflect on your long-term goals. Are you saving for a down payment on a house? Planning a dream vacation? Whatever it may be, allocate a portion of your paycheck towards these goals. This will motivate and keep you focused on achieving them. Step 9. Give back. Remember, it's important to give back to others. Consider donating a percentage of your income to a charity or a cause that you're passionate about. Not only will you make a positive impact, but you'll also experience the joy of helping others. Step 10. Review and adjust. Finally, regularly review your financial situation and adjust your plan accordingly. Life is dynamic, and your financial goals may change over time. Stay adaptable and make adjustments as needed to ensure you're on the right track. And there you have it, my friends, the 10 essential steps to follow when you get paid. By implementing these simple yet effective strategies, you'll be well on your way to financial success and security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Together, let's empower ourselves to make the most of our hard-earned money. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.